Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here. And
today I'm making a cross pendant using the Artistic Wire Deluxe Jig Kit. You can find the template in my Cross Jewelry to Make, Gift, and Sell for Fundraisers ebook. I'm using the Artistic Wire Deluxe Jig Kit, 22 gauge artistic wire, and 6mm glass faceted beads. My tools are the Slimline Series chain nose and round nose pliers, the Glimmer Series nipper tool, the nylon jaw pliers, and the Beadalon bail making pliers. We will start with about 8 inches of the 22 gauge artistic wire, and we're going to put a 6mm glass faceted bead in the middle. Now we will bend the wire to either side, right above and below the bead. We will center the bead on the jig, hold it down, and bring the wire around the upper peg and just up to the right of the right side peg. Hold it as you go. We are going to bring the lower wire down around the lower peg and over to the left, curving it with your thumb as you go, and bend it down over the left side peg. Bring the wires over a little bit more to follow the curve of the pegs, and you can remove it from the jig. From there, we can get the bail making pliers and just continue the curve of the wire towards the center of the cross on either side to complete the cross formation, curving it with your thumb as you go, making sure these wires are going to the front and then to the back so they'll be even. Flip that wire around to make sure they're in the right position. Hold the side with the bail making pliers, curve the wire so they'll have one wire above the bead and one wire below the bead. From there, we're going to have to wiggle it around a bit so that it's symmetrical. We want the sides to be equal distance from the bead. It might take a little bit of wiggling around. You can adjust the curves if you need to with the bail making pliers. And we're going to hold it firmly, take the end of the wire and bring it around to the back. Same on the other side, flip it around, hold it, and bring the wire around and to the back. Push it right down. Make sure the ends are straight across the back and then clip them flush with the nipper tool or your flush cutters. Clip both wires. Pinch in the little pokey ends. These are the rounded pliers. You can use flat nose pliers or chain nose pliers. Using the nylon jaw pliers, we are going to even them out, press the wires a little bit so they're even and flat. Do any little adjustments that you need to do to make it look just right. From there, you can add a jump ring and you have your beautiful simple pendant. Here's the configuration on the jig. The templates are in my Cross Jewelry to Make, Gift, and Sell for Fundraising ebook. You can use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% anytime you purchase any 5 ebooks, templates, or tutorials in my Etsy DIY shop.
thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making tutorials. Join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook to share pictures of your wire art and wire jewelry. Hop over to the Wire Lady TV channel every Wednesday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time, where I troubleshoot new ideas for wire art and jewelry, and I welcome your ideas and special requests. Also, you can find my new kits and surprise packs in my Etsy DIY shop. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.